A sunroom is more than just an extension of your home, it's a sanctuary filled with natural light, a peaceful retreat where you can relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the beauty of the outdoors from the comfort of your home. Whether you envision your sunroom as a cozy reading nook, a vibrant garden space, or an elegant lounge area, the right decor can transform it into a stylish and functional oasis. With the perfect balance of furniture, colors, textures, and decorative elements, your sunroom can become a true highlight of your home, seamlessly blending indoor comfort with the charm of the outdoors. The defining feature of any sunroom is its abundance of natural light. To make the most of this, choose light and airy decor that enhances the brightness. Sheer curtains or light-filtering blinds allow you to control the amount of sunlight while maintaining a soft, breezy atmosphere. If privacy isn't a concern, leaving windows bare can create an open and spacious feel. Furniture selection should complement the openness of the space. Opt for pieces with sleek, lightweight frames. Wicker, rattan, or bamboo furniture works beautifully in sunrooms, adding a touch of organic texture. Glass-topped tables help reflect light, maintaining an airy ambience. Neutral and pastel color palettes further enhance the feeling of lightness, creating a tranquil and inviting space. Mirrors can also play a crucial role in maximizing brightness. Positioning a large mirror opposite a window can reflect light throughout the room, making it feel even more expansive. Additionally, incorporating metallic or glossy surfaces in decor accents, such as brass candle holders, ceramic vases, or reflective trays, can subtly enhance the luminous quality of the space. Enjoying these sunroom ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves bright. A sunroom should be a place of relaxation, so comfortable seating is essential. Plush cushions, upholstered chairs, and cozy throws make the space more inviting. If you enjoy lounging, consider adding a daybed or a hanging chair, perfect for curling up with a book while basking in the sunlight. Modular seating arrangements offer versatility, allowing you to easily rearrange the layout depending on the occasion. Sectional sofas, for example, can accommodate guests for social gatherings while still providing a cozy corner for everyday use. Mixing seating options, such as pairing a deep armchair with a small ottoman or integrating a bench along the wall, adds depth and variety to the space. Texture plays a vital role in creating a cozy environment. Layering different materials, such as linen cushions, knitted throws, and woven rugs, adds warmth and character. A soft area rug can help ground the seating area, providing both visual appeal and a touch of comfort underfoot. For a touch of elegance, consider incorporating velvet or chenille fabric in your accent pillows or seating upholstery. How would you style your dream sunroom? Let us know in the comments below. Bringing the outdoors in is a fundamental aspect of sunroom decor. Incorporating plants not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also improves air quality and promotes a calming atmosphere. Large potted plants like fiddle-leaf figs, rubber trees, or erica palms add height and structure, while smaller plants such as succulents, ferns, and trailing pothos bring softness to shelves and tabletops. A sunroom provides an ideal environment for an indoor garden. If you have a green thumb, consider creating a mini herb garden with fresh basil, rosemary, and mint. Hanging planters or wall-mounted plant shelves maximize vertical space, keeping the area open and uncluttered. For a unique touch, a vertical garden or a living plant wall can become a striking focal point. In addition to plants, incorporating natural materials enhances the organic feel of the space. Wicker baskets, jute rugs, reclaimed wood tables, and ceramic pottery add warmth and authenticity. Even small details, such as woven placemats, stone coasters, or rattan trays, contribute to a natural, earthy ambience. For more home decor inspiration, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates. A well-designed sunroom should be functional and comfortable in every season. Lightweight linen and cotton fabrics work well for warmer months, while in colder seasons, swapping in plush throws, wool blankets, and thicker drapery can make the space feel cozier. To extend usability into cooler months, consider adding a fireplace, a portable heater, or even heated flooring. An electric or tabletop fireplace adds warmth and a cozy glow, making the sunroom an inviting retreat year-round. Lighting is key to maintaining the ambience when the sun sets. String lights, lanterns, and table lamps with soft, warm bulbs create a relaxing evening atmosphere. Sconces or pendant lights can provide functional illumination without overwhelming the space. Dimmable lighting options offer flexibility, allowing you to adjust brightness according to your needs. For entertainment purposes, incorporating a sound system, a small bar cart, or even a projector for outdoor movie nights can elevate the functionality of the space. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening alone, having versatile features ensures your sunroom remains a favorite spot in your home. Looking for more home styling ideas? Explore our playlist for endless inspiration. A sunroom is not just an extension of your home, it's a retreat, a space designed for relaxation, connection, and appreciation of nature's beauty. Whether it's the gentle morning sunlight filtering through the windows or the soft glow of the evening as the day winds down, a well-decorated sunroom creates an atmosphere of peace and comfort. The beauty of a sunroom lies in its ability to seamlessly blend the indoors with the outdoors. It invites you to slow down, to enjoy a moment of tranquility with a cup of tea, to unwind with a good book, or to host intimate gatherings with friends and family. It becomes a space that adapts to your lifestyle, evolving with the seasons and growing with your personal style. Every detail contributes to the overall feel of the space. From the arrangement of furniture to the selection of textures and materials, each choice plays a role in shaping the ambience. A carefully curated sunroom feels intentional, with every element serving a purpose, whether it's function, beauty, or comfort. The ability to personalize a sunroom makes it even more special. Perhaps you love the look of a bohemian retreat, filled with layered textiles and eclectic decor. Maybe you prefer a minimalist approach, with clean lines and a neutral color palette. Or perhaps a coastal-inspired sunroom, with breezy fabrics, soft blues, and natural wood accents, speaks to your style. Whatever your vision, the beauty of design lies in its endless possibilities. Over time, your sunroom may evolve in new decor pieces, seasonal updates, or even a shift in purpose. It might start as a quiet reading space and later become a family lounge or an artistic studio. The beauty of a sunroom is its flexibility, allowing it to grow with you. Comfort is at the heart of a sunroom. Whether it's a deep sofa perfect for afternoon naps, a plush armchair for sipping coffee, or a cozy rug underfoot, these elements make the space inviting. The goal is to create a setting where you can relax effortlessly, where the space itself becomes a source of joy. As the seasons change, the way you experience your sunroom changes too. Spring brings fresh floral arrangements and light, airy fabrics. Summer invites vibrant hues, breezy curtains, and woven textures. Autumn welcomes warm tones, soft blankets, and flickering candlelight. Winter transforms the space into a cozy retreat with layered textiles, soft lighting, and the warmth of a fireplace. A sunroom is more than a design project, it's a lifestyle statement. It's a reminder to take moments for yourself, to appreciate natural beauty, and to create a home environment that nurtures peace and happiness. No matter how you choose to style it, a well-designed sunroom enhances the way you live, offering a sanctuary that brings you closer to nature and yourself. A sunroom is a place where time slows down. It's where the golden light of morning spills across the floor, where the afternoon breeze dances through sheer curtains, and where the evening glow creates a warm and serene ambience. It's a space that invites you to pause, to take a deep breath, and to truly savor the little moments. This space is not just about decoration, it's about the emotions it evokes. A sunroom filled with soft textiles, cozy seating, and natural elements has a way of making life feel a little lighter, a little more peaceful. It becomes a sanctuary where you can step away from the hustle of daily life, reconnect with yourself, and soak in the beauty of the world just outside your windows. It's a place for every season and every mood. In the summer, it's the perfect spot to sip iced tea and watch the sun cast playful shadows on the walls. In the winter, it transforms into a cozy retreat, where a soft throw and a warm drink make the cold feel distant. Whether the rain taps gently against the glass or the stars twinkle above, the sunroom offers a front row seat to nature's ever-changing display. Over time, this space will hold memories, a quiet morning with a book, a heartfelt conversation with a loved one, the laughter of friends gathered for an evening of stories and connection. It will witness moments of inspiration, creativity, and deep relaxation. It will be there for the simple joys, the feeling of fresh air on your skin, the warmth of sunlight on your face, the comfort of a familiar chair that molds perfectly to you. A sunroom is more than a room, it's an experience, a feeling, a personal escape within your own home. It's a space that grows with you, evolves with your needs, and reflects your personality in every carefully chosen detail.